So hey guys, welcome back to your own channel with an all new video on the last minute tips and tricks for your Icse geography board exams. This will be a very short video in which I have tried my level best to brief you all with only the required points. To avoid wasting much of your time, we have designed this very quick video. So let's get started and please watch the whole video till the end. The next subject is geography. See, geography is a way simpler subject if you prepare for it wisely. Geography preparation is also based on selection of units. There are total 9 units in your book and you have to do only 5 units, of course, of your choice. And the 9 units are Chapter 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13 and 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Don't worry, you can take a screenshot of this. So these are the 9 units and you have the choice to do any 5. And the procedure for preparing that 5 units is based upon 3 steps. First is reading the chapter thoroughly. Second is solving the questions given on the back of the chapter. And the third and the most important step is to solve self-study portion in the chapters wherever it is provided. Now if you follow this, more than half of your preparation is completed. Now you have to give much stress on topography and maps because these two topics are your marks deciders. If you score well in them, you will get full marks. See, everyone has the ability to write lengthy answers in geography exam, but only few of them have a good command on topography and maps, and I want you all to be in that few ones category. And if we talk about paper checking, the examiner gives more focus on the map and topography portion of your paper. So make sure you write it correctly, and that would only be possible if you have deep knowledge about it. So make sure you strongly work on those points. So with this note, we end up our video. Please share this video to at least your 2 friends if you really like this video. Also, extremely thanks for giving such support on our last video. That's amazing, guys. Also comment in the comment section of this video how much marks you desire to score and how's your preparation going on. I will meet you soon on another interesting video based upon your own comments. So till then, stay happy, stay fit, all the very best, and always remember, dream big, act now and start small. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.